The automotive world has just been rocked to its core. In a groundbreaking announcement, Ford has unveiled a new engine that's set to redefine the industry. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a seismic shift. The kind of innovation that has everyone, from seasoned auto enthusiasts to casual observers, buzzing with excitement and disbelief. We're talking about an engine that's not just powerful, but efficient. Not just reliable, but groundbreaking. An engine that could very well be the future of automotive technology. So what kind of engine is this? And what exactly makes this engine so special? How will it perform on the road? And what does this mean for Ford and the competitive landscape? Join us as we delve into the details and explore the implications of Ford's latest game changer, Ford's hybrid revolution and the beast behind the roar. So, you've been hearing all this hype about Ford's engines and wondering what the big deal is, right? Well, let's break it down. The buzz you're hearing is all about Ford's hybrid engines, specifically their EcoBoost series. These bad boys are changing the game when it comes to performance and fuel efficiency. You know how everyone's been trying to go green, but without losing that power and speed we love? That's exactly what Ford's doing. And it might also interest you to know that around 1 in 4 of the F-150 trucks you see on the road today are hybrids. Yep, about 25%. Ford's basically saying, hey, we're listening to what you want, and they're delivering in style. But it's not just about going green to please people. Ford's hybrid technology is really about giving drivers the best of both worlds, power and fuel savings. They've been perfecting engine tech for over 100 years now, so they know a thing or two about how to push things forward without missing a beat. And if you think they're stopping anytime soon, think again. They're deep into futuristic tech like electric engines, hydrogen engines, and even using space-age materials to make their trucks lighter and stronger. One super cool thing about their hybrid F-150 is exportable power. That means you can use your truck to power tools, equipment, or even charge gadgets while you're on the go. Whether you're at a work site or just camping with friends, your truck turns into a mobile power station. It's not just a workhorse, it's your adventure buddy too. And honestly, this is just scratching the surface of what Ford's been up to. Now let's talk about another engine that's synonymous to raw power. Meet the Predator V8, Ford's powerhouse engine. If you're into speed, muscle cars, or just love the sound of a roaring engine, you've probably heard of the Predator V8. It's not just any engine, it's the crown jewel of performance engines, making its debut in the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500. This thing is a beast, with a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 that's taken the automotive world by storm. So what makes the Predator V8 so special? First off, it's got a dual overhead cam design, with the cylinders arranged in a V shape, 8 of them to be exact, and each one packed with adrenaline. If you remember the Shelby GT 350's Voodoo engine, that one was already pretty wild with its flat-plane crankshaft. But Ford took things up a notch with the Predator by throwing in a supercharger. That means more power, without the crankshaft complications. The result of this is a jaw-dropping 760 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque. To put that into perspective, that's one of the most powerful engines Ford's ever made, and it's turning heads all over the place. The tech behind the power. There's so much more to the Predator V8 than just those mind-blowing stats. Sure, the numbers, 760 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque, are enough to drop jaws, but the real magic is in the cutting-edge technology behind it. For starters, it comes packed with variable camshaft timing, VCT, a feature that fine-tunes the timing of the engine's valves for optimal performance at any speed. Basically, this means the Predator V8 can deliver jaw-dropping power and still be incredibly efficient. Ford didn't just build this engine to go fast. They built it to be smart, too. And here's something that takes it to a whole new level of cool. Every single Predator V8 engine is hand-built at Ford's Romeo engine plant in Michigan. Skilled craftsmen and women meticulously assemble each engine, turning raw materials into a masterpiece of engineering. So, when you hear that engine roar to life, you're not just hearing power. you're hearing the result of precision, expertise, and a whole lot of love for performance. Now, let's talk about direct fuel injection, which is just as cool as it sounds. Instead of splashing fuel into the engine the old-fashioned way, like dumping water from a bucket, direct injection uses a fine, mist-like spray of fuel directly into the combustion chamber. This method is super precise and allows the engine to get the most bang for its buck in terms of fuel use. By delivering fuel directly where it's needed and when it's needed, EcoBoost engines maximize combustion efficiency. This means you get more power with less fuel waste. Plus, since the fuel is injected as a fine mist, it burns more thoroughly, reducing emissions and boosting fuel economy. It's like having a gourmet chef who knows exactly how to make the perfect recipe: efficient, tasty, and no leftovers. TIE VCT, Ford's secret weapon. EcoBoost engines are also equipped with twin independent variable camshaft timing, TIVCT, a mouthful of a name, but a feature that's nothing short of awesome. TIVCT is what allows your engine to adapt on the fly, adjusting both the intake and exhaust valve timing depending on how hard you're pushing the engine. What does that mean for you? Well, when you're gunning it down the highway, TVCT helps squeeze out more torque and power. But if you're just cruising around town, it dials things back to save on fuel. It's a win-win for both speed demons and those who prefer a more relaxed drive. TIVCT makes your engine smart, knowing when to push and when to conserve. EcoBoost engines come in a variety of sizes to suit all kinds of drivers and vehicles. Whether you want a zippy, fuel-efficient 1-liter engine for everyday driving or a powerful 3.5-liter engine for tackling tougher jobs, EcoBoost has you covered. Take the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, for example. It delivers a jaw-dropping 400 horsepower while still being way more fuel-efficient than naturally aspirated engines of the same size. This versatility means EcoBoost tech is found in all types of Ford vehicles, from the compact Fiesta to the iconic Mustang and even the mighty F-150. That 3.5-liter V6 is the go-to for heavy hitters like the F-150 and the Explorer, making them both workhorses and performance machines. Ford's latest innovations. If you thought Ford was just riding the wave of its recent achievements, think again. They're constantly innovating, and their newest developments show that they're serious about pushing the boundaries of eco-friendly technology. Let's start with a smart move Ford has recently patented: